that? A beehive? We should get some honey. Oops. Oops. Oh no. No, the bees. Run, run, run. They're coming. Run, run, Sticky. Oh no, not again. Watch out, eek. Get off, bees. Beak, help me. Get away. Oh, help. We're stuck. They're getting closer. Run. I want to go in there. Neither do I. What are we gonna do? Look out, they're here. We have to jump. Bees. We have to stay here. I can't breathe. Keeping. It's coming off. They're leaving. We're safe now. That was close. I think we're safe now. Whew, clean.